Learn to make money when stocks drop, guys. You may be saying, seriously, Leo, everything is up this morning. Whoa, this is a perfect opportunity to short the market when opportunity knocks on the door, you take action. So despite of all this noise, Nvidia and all this bullshit, okay, the market cannot take out this stop. You're in a triple top formation, okay? And if it cannot take out this stop to the upside, on all the noise that we've had in the last 24 hours, it ain't gonna fucking do it. So you short the triple top. As a trader, your goal is to figure out what's the next market move. When the next fucking market move is lower, not higher. So when you're looking at stuff like Nvidia, okay, what is this? It's a bounce. It's a shortable bounce. It doesn't matter what the fuck they say, okay? It's gonna be a major sell day. And Nvidia's probably not gonna go into the negative. It's not gonna, but within a few days, Nvidia at 666, 700, guys, it wouldn't be a shocker at all. I've called Nvidia the 666 because I said the bulls are going to lose, the bears are going to lose if you trade Nvidia directly. And by the time the stock's going to open, hey, by the time you take the options price, and it doesn't matter you bought calls or puts, you're going to get fucked. So within that lies an opportunity to short some other stuff, guys, this morning, okay? And if we take a look at multiple indexes, they are... The pattern is omnipresent. It's universal. So basically on NASDAQ, it's a triple top, but I would call it more like a triple bounce where each bounce represents a lower high. So this would be a lower high in relation to this. This would be a lower high in relation to this and this. And so this is a perfect rollover that I've talked about yesterday on February 21st. And so this rollover is a beautiful, beautiful entry. It's a beautiful entry opportunity on the short side. All you got to do is short this bounce, okay? The next move is lower. And if you take a look at RTY, it's the same thing, right? Bounce, huge drop, bounce, one top, two top. It's the same pattern, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, this one overnight didn't even basically bounce. I mean, a 7 point, I mean, we shorted the 2012 area this morning. So, I mean, it's not a huge trade yet, but it will be a huge trade because this thing is heading straight down to 1950. So Russell 2000, guys, it's fucked. I mean, the market is fucked. This is a market top, and crazily, right, it also coincides with Japan, where they're fucking celebrating NKD in 30 fucking years. Finally, they reached the level from 1989, and what happens next? Okay, well, a shocker that Japan is even here, right? Because their GDP just went down 2 consecutive quarters in a row. I mean, technically, Japan is going to be another fucking Germany here if you wait another quarter, yet the market keeps going. I mean, this is the biggest fucking bubble, okay? And there's a bubble everywhere worldwide. I mean, like, German market is pretty much at all-time highs, and they're in a major fucking recession. And the recovery from that recession in Germany that is experiencing now is going to be a multi-year high because plants and businesses and manufacturers, they live in Germany. There's no fucking energy. They can't maintain a plant. I mean, all the costs are through the fucking roof. Germany is the idiot that put itself in that situation with sanctions against Russia and shit. And now an average person in Germany is fucked. Okay, they had no say-so in it. But again, we live in a politically driven world that don't give a shit about an average person. And an average person can't do nothing about it. Besides, like, maybe move to a place that's decent. But Germany is fucked. Japan is fucked. But both are trading at all-time highs. So basically, the point is this, okay? As the whole world is basically fucked, we got United States trading at all-time highs. On the surface, things look good. But under the surface, it's a triple fucking top that you short, okay? Because the market will be way fucking lower going 2 weeks from now, going 30 days from now, going 90 days from now. We're going to be way the fuck lower, okay? So all this noise, and the market still cannot take out this triple top formation. This is an easy short. You want to make 20, 30 X's, you give a call to a 13 Market Moves coach today by going to 13mmtv.com. Huge day ahead, guys. A lot of people will be fucking selling. People will be selling because what better day can you pick when the market is already up? Okay, it doesn't even have to finish in the red today. Okay, for a lot of people, like if you're an institutional investor and you need to unload a lot of shares, if you're Mark Zuckerberg or or you're one of the CEOs that need to unload a ton of shares, this is the day you do it on. So for that reason, we're not going to be able to conquer this triple top formation. There's going to be sellers right out of the gate when the market will open. It does not mean the market will go negative, but it is a behavioral pattern of the market. People will be selling. And you pick a day. If you're trying to liquidate a ton of shares, you pick a day on which the market is up, on which the market is excited, okay, on which, anywhere you look at, there's talk of NVIDIA and how, everything is just picture perfect. And so you would pick a picture perfect moment to unload a ton of shares to where hopefully it won't drag down the indexes by as much. It won't, it won't necessarily drag down the stock that you're selling. So if you're trying to unload a ton of NVIDIA shares, today would be the day. Institutions are selling while an average guy who is reading the news, he's buying. So they will unload shares onto people that are just simply buying based off the news. So don't be that guy. Be fucking smarter than that. Beat Wall Street with 30 market moves. Let's roll.